Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the glorious Model D2 Pro 4K, 8K gaming mouse. Let's see if this lightweight powerhouse lives up to its Pro designation. Now, Glorious is no stranger to the gaming peripheral scene, known for their ultra-lightweight and high-performance mice tailored for esports. But with the Model D2 Pro, they're aiming to push the boundaries even further. So, let's break down what this mouse brings to the table. First off, let's talk design and comfort. The Model D2 Pro sports a familiar ergonomic shape, designed to snugly fit your right hand for those long gaming sessions. It's sleek, it's matte black, and it's understated. While some might find the lack of RGB lighting a bit disappointing, others will appreciate the minimalist aesthetic. Speaking of buttons, this mouse comes with 6 programmable buttons, including the essential left and right click, 2 thumb buttons on the side, a clickable scroll wheel, and a DPI switch. However, I have to say that the placement of the thumb buttons felt a bit off for my liking. They're positioned a tad too high and far back, making them a bit awkward to reach during intense gameplay. Now, let's talk performance. The Model D2 Pro packs Glorious' latest BAMF 2.0 26K optical sensor, boasting an impressive 26,000 dpi, 650 IPS, and 50 Gs of acceleration. But here's the kicker. It offers polling rates of up to 8,000 Hz when wired, and 4,000 Hz wirelessly. That's some serious responsiveness right there. To customize your gaming experience, Glorious offers their Glorious Core software. Here, you can tweak settings like DPI stages, polling rates, and button mappings to your heart's content. It's straightforward and user-friendly, but it could use a few more advanced features compared to other software offerings on the market. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The Model D2 Pro gives you the option of either 2.4 GHz wireless or wired via USB-C. While it doesn't have Bluetooth, the 80-hour battery life on a single charge should keep you gaming for quite some time. Just keep in mind that bumping up the polling rate will eat into that battery life. So, what's the bottom line? The glorious Model D2 Pro 4K, 8K is a solid performer with its lightweight design, high polling rates, and impressive sensor. However, it falls a bit short in terms of comfort and customization options compared to its competitors. At $129.99 for the 4K, 8K version, it's a decent value for what it offers, but there are other options out there worth considering. And that wraps up our review of the glorious Model D2 Pro 4K, 8K gaming mouse. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews of the latest tech. Until next time, happy gaming!